Okay, so I'm here for the maintenance of these units, the heating maintenance, and this is the unit. Venter motor is running, but it's not firing. So the control board side is flashing three flashes. If we further dig deep down into the flashes, so here is the list. So three flashes: rollout switch open, pressure switch open, with combustion air inducer on, or something like that. So we have to open up the combustion panel and see if really the rollout switch is open, what's going on. Okay, so I have opened up the combustion panel. So this is the venter motor and this is the rollout switch. Let's check this. This is a manual reset type rollout switch. If it is really open, then yeah, it was open. I heard the click. Let's see if it's fired up. Okay, I think I have to reset the electrical switch. We see right there. Okay. Okay, now it is flashing three, same. Okay. Now it's an auto flash. Let's see. Do a fire. So, oh yeah. Okay, so unit fired up. I just want to check the heat exchanger. Okay. So sometimes when the wind blows, the outside wind blows through this panel, the flame deflects, and that also may cause the rollout switch to open. But in this case, after resetting it, it was not working. Then I had to pull out this lead and put it back right away. So then after that the unit fired properly. So I think I have to open that the hose for the pressure switch and check it if there is a blockage inside, like a partial blockage or something like that. In the meantime, I will also open the heat exchanger. Let's turn the power off. Okay, so the heat exchanger I inspected carefully, deep down, inside. So everything is looking okay. No crack. Even after opening the next heat exchanger panel, if there is a minor crack, we can see the light coming through, and I can't see anything. Of course, this portion of the heat exchanger at the back side, I can't find anything. So heat exchanger is looking good. So my only cause for the roller switch to open the air, sometime when the wind storm or something like that hit that panel and goes inside and deflect the flames. Okay, everything is looking okay, battery is looking okay. I'm gonna change the filter and let's turn it on. That's the normal LED blinking. Fired up. That's it. The unit is working fine. That was a false alarm. Thank you for watching.